we're going to talk about motorcycles and helmets. Now, some bikes actually have like a little helmet lock, but most of the time that helmet lock is located somewhere that you can no longer use, especially if you put hard bags or something like that on. So I've actually removed them off both my bikes. Now, I do have hard bags on both of these. The nice thing is these, which they don't make anymore, isn't that nice, leather-like? They had this neat little clip on the back. And you can see it right there. And the nice thing that was about that helmet clip is you can go ahead and put your helmet on there, put it right in the clip, close the top, lock it, and now it's virtually impossible for them to get the helmet off. Now, of course, if they want it that bad, they can cut the straps, but with cut straps, a lot of good that's going to do them. So you can use either this part, or you can actually use the actual D-clips, which I can on this particular one because I've actually installed a buckle on this one just to make it easier to get on and off. Now, if you have different bags, like these bags here, this was from a company called Fatmax, and they made bags specifically for the VMAX 1200. And like most companies, they're gone. They don't make them anymore. So I take care of them. But the nice thing is it is lockable, just like the other bags on the Honda. They are a hard top, but then you think, oh great, I've got no clip or anything I can actually put the helmet on. So what you do is use a clip. You can use any type. I happen to like these pretty good. And what I'll do is I'll actually put that inside here, so when I close the top, there's no way someone's going to be able to get this out. Again, they could cut the strap. They could try to yank it so hard they tear at the bag, but they're going to be making such a ruckus that it's going to be well known that someone's trying to break into your bike. And the neat thing about this is you can do a double wound if you want to, so the helmet doesn't hang down as far. I have a larger clip here that I can use if for some reason I have something extra long. But the nice thing about it is once you put this in and you close the top and you've gone ahead and locked it, again, it's impossible to get that out. Even trying to push this in, try to pull the top off, you're going to end up breaking something and making a big scene. And it's just kind of a nice way to be able to lock your helmet up if you want to. Down here, just take the bottom of whatever your helmet is, pop that in. Won't be anywhere near the place. But again, guys, you need bags. So other than that, you can use the helmet lock that's on the bike that it came with from the factory, or you can do something like this. If you have hard bags that do not have helmet hooks, there's always a way to do it. This works out nice because I ride with some guys that don't have any way of locking up their helmet, and I just put their helmet on the other side. Anyway, just a little bit of a tidbit. Thought I'd throw this together for you today. I'll go ahead and get this on the internet for you. Again, like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for future content.